Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. We are happy to have this opportunity to share our project. Linear programming problem, gravity method with you. Before we jump in, let's introduce you to the time behind this project. There are members who have made this all possibility. They are, my name is Husni and my friend Alfareza Zopan, Akram Beta, Axel Abiu, Muhammad Gifran, Muhammad Abimanyu, Ephraim Jefferson, and Berliano Ahtan.
Today, we walk through solving a linear programming problem for Electrocom Corporation, which produce air conditioners and large fans. Our goals is to determine the best production mix for maximum profit using a step-by-step approach. The question is, the Electrocom Corporation manufactures two electrical products, air conditioners and large fans. The assembly process for each is similar in that both require a certain amount of wiring and drilling. Each air conditioners take 3 hours of wiring and 2 hours of drilling. Each fan must go through 2 hours of wiring and 1 hour of drilling. During the next production period, 240 hours of wiring time are available, and up to 140 hours of drilling time may be used. Each air conditioner sold yields a profit of $25. Each fan assembled may be sold for a $15 profit. Formulate and solve this LP production mix situation to find the best combination of air conditioners and fans that yields the highest profit. Use the corner point graphical approach.
To solve the problem, we have 6 steps to maximize profit of Electrocom Corporation production. The first one is define the decision variables. Define decision variable as value representing choice in optimization problems. The second one is formulate the objective function. Create an equation that expresses the goal to maximize or minimize. The third one is set up the constraints. Identify a limitation or requirements that restrict values of decision variables. The number 4 is find the constraints. Plot its constraints line to visualize the feasible solution region. The number 5 is identify the corner points. Locate the intersection points within the feasible region for optimal solution. And the last one is calculate the profit at each corner point. Evaluate the objective function value at each corner point location.
Step 1. Defining the decision variables. Here, let X represent the number of air conditioner production and Y represent the number of fans product. Defining this variable is essential for the formulation or equation for the problem. Moving on step 2. Formulate the objective function. Our goal is to maximize profit. Each air conditioner bring in $25 and each from bring in $15. So our objective function which represent with profit is Z equal to 25X plus 15Y. The objective is to find values of X and Y that maximize Z.
Now to step 3. Setting up the constraint. We have limits on both wiring and drilling hours. Each air conditioner requires 3 hours of wiring and 2 hours of drilling, while each fan requires 2 hours of wiring and 1 hour of drilling. We are given 240 hours for wiring and 1400 hours for drilling. So our constraints are 3x plus 2y less than equal 240 for wiring. Second, 2x plus y less than equal 1400 for drilling. Additionally, we have non-negativity constraint. So x more equal 0 and y more equal 0. This constraint define the limits within which we'll find our solution. Next step, in step 4, we find the constraint to visualize the visible region, where all constraints overlap. Each inequality is represented on a line on a graph. We find the x and y intercept for each line. The set the region that satisfy the inequalities. The area where all shaded regions overlap is visible region.
Next, we go to the step 5. Step 5 is identifying the corner points of the visible region, as these points can help us to find the optimal solution. By calculating the intersection points of our constraint lines, we get 3 corner points. The first is 40.60, second is 0.120, and the third is 70.0. And the last step is step 6. We calculate the profit at each corner point using our objective function, that is zmax equals to 25x plus 15y. For A point, which is 40.60, we got profit in $1,900. For B, for point B, we got 0.120. The profit is $1,800. And for C, point 70.0, we got profit $1,750. So the maximum profit is in point A, which is profit $1,900.
In conclusion, to achieve the highest profit, Electrochem should product 40 air conditioners and 60 fans, resulting in a maximum profit $1,900. This step-by-step approach shows how linear programming can guide production decisions for optimal outcomes.
Thank you everyone for your attention and participation in today's presentation. Through this problem, we explored how linear programming provides a structured approach to decision making, especially in optimizing resource and maximizing profit. By breaking down each step from defining decision variable to calculating profit at each corner point, we were able to determine the best production strategy for Electrochem Corporation. This method is a powerful tool in business analysis, allowing companies to make data-driven decisions in the face of limited resources. We hope this presentation has provided a clear understanding of how linear programming can be applied to real-world business challenges. Thank you once again, and we're happy to answer any question.